Hello, Unity of New Westminster. I'm Jackie Woodside, and I'm so looking forward to coming out and being with you next month in April. Spring in British Columbia sounds just lovely. I will be coming from Washington, D.C., and as you probably know, I have been in the Unity movement for a long time and leading retreats and giving talks and doing leadership work inside of the movement. So it is my honor to come and spend some time with you. Thank you for hosting me. So I was asked by your lovely minister, Rona, why I chose the Living a High Vibe Life theme for your retreat. And I thought I wanted to say a couple of things about that. So my whole work, my whole life, my whole mission, my whole heart is about raising consciousness on the planet. But I've noticed that when I go to a cocktail party and people say, "Oh, so what do you do for a living?" And I say, "I'm a consciousness teacher." People's eyes kind of glaze over and they say, "That's nice." So I can't walk around telling people I'm a consciousness teacher because nobody knows what that means and it doesn't interest anyone. So I say, I teach people how to raise their vibe, living a high vibe life so that they get everything they want and are fully fulfilled in every area of their life. Isn't that great? Who doesn't want that? So people get interested. People want to hear about their vibe. They want to think about their vibe because that's a word that everybody uses and we can all relate to it. And we all know as practitioners and faith-filled people in the Unity movement that your vibe really is your consciousness, the energetic vortex, the pattern of energy that gets created by your consciousness, the world of your beliefs, emotions, attitudes, thoughts, your connection with God is your consciousness. So that's the one thing that I teach, and I dress it up in all kinds of ways. I have a consciousness course about time that I will be touching on with you all. I have a consciousness course about money. So living a high vibe life it's a weekend retreat that's going to give you a framework for the living of your life that will have your spiritual practice be your life well lived. Your life lived in high vibe, high consciousness, all the time, everywhere, no matter what's happening around you. That's my commitment. That's my love. It's my passion. I say that what I will leave you with at the end of the weekend is you will leave there knowing how to make your life a living prayer. By living in a high vibe, living in high consciousness, and bringing that energetic pattern to everything that you do. I really believe that there is one root cause of everything that you're dealing with, everything that you might be struggling with, every area that you've yet to grow into in the way that you want to. And the one root cause is consciousness. If there are places in your life that you're struggling, that means it's an area that you're being called forth more to live in and experience your Christ consciousness, to become more of that highest vibration, transcendent consciousness in every single area of your life. Time, money, health, relationships, vitality, your mission. So you'll leave the weekend with a format to know how to do that. And you'll also leave the weekend with the ability to bring that to other people all the time, making your life a living prayer. So that in everything that you do, you are fully aligned with your one true purpose. You'll also leave the weekend knowing what your purpose is. For those of you who might be like, I just wish I knew what my purpose is. I'm going to tell you. Maybe I won't tell you now so you all come and hear me on the weekend. But your purpose is to just grow in consciousness as an energetic being. And I'm going to spend a whole section on that. That's a profound, profound thought and a profound belief that I teach, that we are here as one unity, one spirit, one mind in God and as God. And what we're here to do in our human experience is raise our consciousness back to the divinity from which we came. So I look forward to being with you just a month from now. So for those of you who've already signed up and gotten on board, I can't wait. Feel free to get in touch with me, by the way. You can hook up with me on Facebook by going to facebook.com/groups/vibetribers. Or you can search The Vibe Tribe with Jackie Woodside and go over there and get to know me a little bit. My website is jackiewoodside.com. And my email, if you want to email me, jackie@jackiewoodside.com. If there's something that you want to be sure I cover, if there's some big question that you have and you really want this to be valuable for you, go ahead and get in touch with me. I'm right here in Washington, D.C., enjoying a beautiful sunny spring day. So happy Sunday to you, and thank you for having a few moments of your service to listen to me and to connect with me heart to heart, soul to soul. I can't wait to be in British Columbia and spend some time with you all. Thanks so much. Have a great service.